Farmers and growers use phosphate fertilizer to feed a hungry world, improve turf performance, and beautify yards and public parks. Phosphate also strengthens bone development in livestock, provides raw materials for fighting wildfires, and improves our drinking water. The J.R. Simplot company has been mining and manufacturing phosphate fertilizer for more than 75 years. We do it the right way, every day. Simplot collaborates with the appropriate state and federal agencies. All mining is approved by the Forest Service, Bureau of Land Management, and state mining and environmental agencies. With approvals in place, Simplot removes the overburden and stores it nearby for future reclamation. Then, our engineers and mining crews use blasting techniques to access the phosphate rock. The phosphate rock is separated and taken to the mill. Ore is fed into the mill to produce a consistent, quality ore. The ore is then crushed into a fine powder-like material and mixed with water to form a slurry. The slurry is pumped to a processing plant miles away. At the processing facility, most of the water in the slurry is removed to restore the phosphate ore. The water is reclaimed for use in other phases of operations. Sulfur is used to create sulfuric acid, which reacts with the phosphate ore to create phosphoric acid. By evaporating phosphoric acid, we create a higher concentration of the phosphate nutrient to produce products used for animal and crop nutrition. Phosphoric acid is also blended with ammonia and granulated into dry fertilizer products for use by farmers across the country to supplement the soil and improve crop production. Back at the mine, we replace the overburden and plant a native seed mix approved by the U.S. Forest Service. That way, the land is reclaimed back to a natural slope with native vegetation. It takes a team of caring, capable Simplot technicians and operators to mine, produce, and deliver the millions of tons of phosphate fertilizer that helps bring Earth's resources to life.